So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Village series to check a new foreclosed house and lot. For bidding po to. Ang lot area niya is 148 square meters and ang floor area niya is 30 square meters. This is around 4.1 million and available in cash or at least 10% down payment, 90% balance, bank financing. So within New Valley po tayo and ito po yung property. Second to the corner. Siya. So bare type po yan. Ang loob niyan walang partition, walang second floor. Kayo na po maglalagay. Check natin kung mapapasok natin yung loob. Kung andi dito yung caretaker. Pero tignan natin. So ito yung loob niya. Bare type. Finish na naman siya. Wala lang tiles. And then one bathroom. So kayo na maglalagay ng partition or ng second floor. Tapos ito yung back ng property. Maluwag pa yan. Pwede kayo mag-extend dyan for kitchen or another bedroom. Tapos yung side nyo, single detached po to. So this is for bidding. If you are interested to make a bid, just follow and message us directly. Ayan po yung harapan ninyo. May mga kapitbahay na kayo dito. Still sale na po to. Ang mga house and lot dito ngayon sa New Valley, pag bumili kayo sa developer, nasa 10 million and up na. Townhouse, ganun din, nasa 6 million and up. Ito siguro gagastos kayo dito more or less. Kung gusto nyo pagandahin, mga 2 million. And as is where is po tayo dito upon turnover. So again, if you are interested, just message us directly. Clubhouse nila.